Have you ever wanted to check someone's LinkedIn profile without them knowing? Whether you're researching competitors, potential employers, or just curious, LinkedIn's private mode lets you browse discreetly. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn it on step by step and why it can be a game changer. First, go to your profile picture on the top left corner and you will see Settings. Click Visibility and you will see Profile Viewing options. Click the first one. And here you will see three options. First, your name and headline. Second, private profile characteristics. And third is private mode. If you click name and the headline, this is what they can see when you visit their profile. If you choose private profile characteristics, someone in your industry can view your profile. However, if you want to click private mode, it is completely anonymous. Sometimes you just want to look without being seen. Maybe you're searching competitors, preparing for a job interview, or checking out potential hires. Private mode gives you the freedom to explore without leaving a trail. Just keep in mind that you also won't see who viewed your profile while it's on. And that's it, a simple way to stay under the radar while browsing LinkedIn. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. See you in the next one.